So here's how to create a landing page on Wix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and then here you have to search for the wix.com, or you can simply search for the Wix landing page creator and then click on this link at the top. After that, here you have to click on the get started option. Moving on to the next step, here it will ask you to sign up to your account, or you can simply log in via Google. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to this page. Here at this page, you will be able to view the option to customize your site. Click on the customize your site link, and then here you have to select your category. Now here I'm gonna select the other category. After that, click on this link, create your website with the editor. Now from here you have to select that template. Here I'm gonna search for the landing page templates. Now from here select the template that matches your brand voice. After that, here you can simply make change on your template if you want so. If you want to remove the existing background, double click on it, and then from this pop-up menu select any desired background that you want to add. You can also add a background from Wix gallery. After adding your background, if you want to edit the text here, you can also do this. To edit the text, click on the add elements option. Now from here you have to simply select the text that you want to add. Now you can type anything that you want. Once all done, now click on the publish option to publish your landing page. So that's how to create a landing page on Wix.